Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show exactly how to allow everyone to display GIFs on your profile using Telegram Web on your PC. This is part of the newest update, and it's super simple once you know where to click. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. You can do this through any browser, just log into your Telegram account as you normally would. Once you're on your main chat screen, look at the top left corner of the window. You'll see three small lines stacked together. That's the menu button. Click on it to open the main sidebar. From here, go down and select Settings. This is where you'll find all the main options to customize your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, look for and choose Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see certain parts of your profile and how others interact with you. Now, scroll down a little until you spot the GIFs option. This new setting lets you decide who can see and display GIFs on your profile. Telegram's latest update added this feature, making it easier for users to express appreciation and share fun surprises. Once you open the GIFs menu, you'll see a few visibility options. To make GIFs visible to everyone, not just your contacts or specific people, choose Everybody. This means any Telegram user can view or display GIFs on your profile, no restrictions. After selecting Everybody, Telegram automatically saves your choice. You don't need to click anything else, just return to your main screen, and your new setting is active right away. That's it.